Here I have OPPO A94 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to lock apps with fingerprint on this device. So firstly you have to open settings. Let me firstly enable dark mode. Then what you have to do is to add fingerprint by going to the passwords and biometrics, then add fingerprint. Then you have to set lock screen password. You can use this like proposed 6-digit code, but you can use different password type, like one of those. I'm just gonna pick the simplest 4-digit pin. Then you enter your pin, then you confirm it. Here you have a fingerprint sensor, so then you just tap on it with your finger several times until it remembers your fingerprint. And it's done. What you have to do next is when you're in the fingerprint section here, use fingerprint 4, enable app lock. Then what you have to do is to set up privacy password. So let's do it. You can set up the same password that you have on your lock screen password, or you can select another password. I'm just gonna set the same one. And also you have to answer the secret question, like it could be some of those or just custom question. So let me enter anything. Tap next. When the app lock enabled, then you have to go to the privacy section, then go to the app lock, enter password or scan your fingerprint, and now you can lock apps. So let's lock, for example, Chrome, I don't know, maybe contacts, Drive, and that's it. So as you can see, now I can't access Google Chrome without entering my privacy password or just scanning my fingerprint. So yeah. And what else you should know is that after you lock the screen and then unlock it, these apps which you have locked, they will be locked again too, like this. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.